Ready to transform your life with a touch of futuristic magic? Dive into the world of convenience and innovation as we unveil the most incredible home robots you can buy to make life easier. Say goodbye to chores and hello to a smarter, more efficient future. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Do you love having a pool but hate cleaning it? If you answered yes, then you need the A-Pair Seagull Pro Pool Cleaning Robot. The A-Pair Seagull Pro is the ultimate pool cleaning solution. It is the world's first cordless robotic pool cleaner with a quad motor system, which means it has more power, performance, and efficiency than any other pool cleaner on the market. It can clean pools up to 3,200 square feet in size, and it can climb walls and water lines, leaving no dirt or debris behind. It has a large capacity battery that lasts up to 150 minutes and a quick drain system that makes it easy to remove from the pool. It also has an innovative filtration system that traps even the smallest particles and a wide suction port that can handle large debris. The A-Pair Seagull Pro is easy to use and maintain. You just need to charge it, drop it in the pool, and let it do its magic. You can choose from 3 cleaning modes: automatic, manual, or spot cleaning. You can also control it with a remote or an app on your smartphone. You can monitor its status, adjust its settings, and schedule its cleaning cycles. The A-Pair Seagull Pro is not just a pool cleaner, it's a pool companion. It will make your pool sparkling clean and inviting without any hassle or effort from you. It will save you time, money, and energy and let you enjoy your pool more than ever. Vacuuming can be a never-ending task, especially if you have pets. For those ready to do it with ease, well, your wish has come true. Introducing the iRobot Brava Jet 240, a smart and affordable robot mop that can tackle dirt and stains in small spaces. The iRobot is not just a mop, it's also a sweeper. It has 3 cleaning modes: wet mopping, damp sweeping, and dry sweeping. You can choose the mode that suits your needs by attaching a different cleaning pad. The robot will automatically detect the pad type and adjust the cleaning mode accordingly. The robot has a precision jet spray that helps loosen dirt and grime from hard floors, such as tile, wood, stone, laminate, and polished concrete. It also has a vibrating cleaning head that gently scrubs the floor to remove stains. The robot can navigate hard-to-reach places, such as under and around toilets, into corners, and below cabinets, thanks to its maximized edge design. And that's not all. The iRobot Brava Jet 240 is easy to use and maintain. You just need to fill the water tank, attach a pad, and press the clean button. The robot will start cleaning your floor in an efficient pattern. When it's done, you can eject the pad with a simple push of a button without touching any dirt or grime. The iRobot Brava Jet 240 is ideal for kitchens and bathrooms, where spills and messes are common. It can mop and sweep up to 25 square meters per cleaning cycle. It also avoids stairs and rugs, so you don't have to worry about it falling or getting stuck. You can set up a virtual barrier to keep it away from certain areas. Cool, right? Have you ever wished for a robot friend who could hang out with you, help you out, and make you smile? Meet Vector 2.0, the AI-powered companion robot from Digital Dream Labs. This is one of the robots that will make you rethink human consciousness, personality, and emotions, because this robot can see, hear, and feel touch, and can interact with you in many ways. Vector 2.0 can answer your questions, take photos, set timers, show the weather, and more. It can even connect to Alexa and access thousands of skills. The robot can also play games with you, like blackjack, cube stacking, and fist bumping. Also, it can recognize up to 20 faces and remember their names. This robot has a 30% longer battery life and improved camera resolution than the previous generation. Another amazing feature of this robot is that it can map the room, avoid obstacles, and find its way back to its charger when the battery is low and needs recharging. Vector 2.0 is more than a robot. It is your friend who is sure to put a smile on your face. Falls can be a real worry, but guess what? This cool robot, Your Home, can help ease your mind. It's all about radio waves. Your Home uses them to figure out if someone has taken a tumble in the room. Even if they're knocked out cold, this robot will send a message to the caregiver. It's like having a guardian angel in your house. Now, here's the neat part. It works everywhere in your home, but it's a superstar in bathrooms. You know how bathroom falls are a thing? Well, Your Home is onto that. Plus, It's got no cameras, so your privacy is intact. Oh, and there is no need for any wearables or buttons to make it work. It just knows when to send that alert. And there's more. In addition to fall detection, Veyor Home keeps tabs on nighttime wandering, the number of visits to the bathroom, and time spent resting so you can track changes in your loved one's health and behavior. It's time to get your tennis game on. Imagine a tennis partner unlike any other, a marvel of technology and innovation. Meet the iVolve Pro, a tennis ball robot that goes beyond the ordinary. It's not just about shooting tennis balls for you to return, it's about providing an experience that's strikingly similar to playing tennis against a human opponent. With the power of AI and computer vision at its core, the iVolve Pro takes your tennis training to a whole new level. It doesn't just stand in one place and shoot balls your way. It dynamically moves across the court, just like a real player. It anticipates your shots, adjusts its position, and challenges you to respond, just as a human opponent would. This cutting-edge technology brings a sense of realism to your training sessions that will keep you constantly engaged and on your toes. Whether you're looking to improve your skills or simply enjoy a dynamic game of tennis, the iVolve Pro is your ideal companion on the court, offering a training experience that blurs the lines between man and machine. Yarbo is the world's first modular yard robot that can handle all your outdoor tasks with ease. Whether it's snowing, raining, or sunny, Yarbo can keep your yard in perfect condition all year round. Yarbo has a modular design that allows you to switch between different functions, such as snow blowing, lawn mowing, leaf blowing, security patrol, and more. You can customize your own modules to suit your specific needs. Yarbo is intelligent and autonomous, meaning it can work without your supervision. It can navigate your yard, avoid obstacles, and return to its super docking station when it needs to recharge or change modules. Yarbo is also eco-friendly and energy efficient, using solar power and battery backup to operate. With Yarbo, you can say goodbye to yard work hassles and enjoy more free time for yourself. If you're as excited as we are about these amazing home robots, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all things tech and innovation. And don't forget to drop a comment below. We'd love to hear which home robot caught your eye. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.